As the days passed, the little dragon began to grow stronger. Its wings flapped with confidence, and the tiny puffs of smoke grew thicker and louder. One quiet morning, the boy worked at his desk while the dragon rested by the window. The boy smiled, but worry filled his heart. Suddenly, the dragon sneezed. Smoke drifted outside. A neighbor stopped and stared. The boy rushed to shut the window, his heart pounding. This wasn't a game anymore. The dragon lowered its head in shame, its glowing tail growing dim. The boy knelt beside his friend. "You didn't do anything wrong," he whispered. "Growing up isn't a mistake." That night, footsteps echoed in the hallway. "What's that smell?" a voice asked. The boy froze, but the dragon stayed calm. It closed its eyes, took a slow breath, and the smoke faded.
Can't hide forever,
Silence.
can we?
Relief. They sat by the window, watching the sunset. The boy realized growing up isn't just about strength. It's about
Thank you
control,
for trusting
trust,
me.
and friendship. Sometimes the strongest hearts learn when to shine and when to stay still.
Your family.
Sometimes friendship finds you quietly.